gold is going up in value because the dollar is losing value. The reason why the dollar is losing value is because literally there's trillions of dollars being printed in the last 3 or 4 months. You know what I mean? We're going through a pandemic right now. People don't want to be in the stock market. So people are going to reallocate their money towards safe haven assets, right? And what that means is when the dollar starts losing value, then gold and silver, those safe haven assets, start going up in value. So I'm going to show you right now on my charts. Here we go. All right, guys, I got gold right in front of me. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the drawing tools just to show you what's really happening in the market, okay? So if I zoom out to the daily time frame, you're going to see that you see something like this, right? So this is 2020 right here in this area, okay? And you're going to notice that around, where are we at? Here goes 2020. So this area right here is around March when the stock market crashed. So right, there's a huge liquidation right here. And then all of a sudden it hits this little price action area, which is a support or a zone, right? So I'm going to go ahead and mark this zone as a bottom. And then overall, the stock market starts rallying and everything. You know, Trump and Congress, they start printing a lot of money out in the marketplace to save small businesses and, you know, people in general. But you're going to notice that over time, gold starts rallying. And it continues to go higher and higher and higher, right? So now we're all the way up here in this area where gold has actually hit an all-time record in history, okay? And the reason why the gold is going up in value so much is because the dollar is losing value. Okay, so I'm actually going to duplicate this really quick and show you Dixie, right? So Dixie is just pretty much a chart that shows the value of the dollar overall, okay? So I already marked it up, but you're going to see an inverse relationship going on with the dollar, okay? So this was early March, right? There's a huge spike in the dollar because of just like news and everything. But then overall, right, after you print that much money out, it's going to lose value. I mean, it's just going to do that. So you're going to see a big sink in the value of the dollar. So right here, this is where price is at right now, and it should continue to fall for a little while. So, you know, the main reason why I got into gold, not because I wanted to you know, trade it, and it's not because it's my favorite you know, chart to look at. It's just common sense, right? So I know that the more and more money that we print and the more that we stay in this pandemic, right, people are going to be afraid to be in riskier markets like the stock market and other things like that, options and all that. So here is an example of a inverse relationship. The dollar is going down, and people who want to be safe are going to invest in something that is fixed. Gold is a fixed asset, right? It's literally tangible, and it's never going to go away. So there's only a finite amount of gold in the world, and when you invest in it, right, it can't move around like the stock market, okay? So overall, the trend is going to go up for a while until everything kind of gets better. So that's my speculation. But, you know, I got in around here where it started retesting this area, and I took it all the way up to around this area right here. So I took profit right there, and then it started to rally again. Not sure if I'm going to get into gold because I'm not sure where it's going to retest, but long term I am bullish, so it should continue to go up for another quarter or so. Hopefully you understand this. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Nate Barnes with the Forex University signing out.